I have a dog, and my dog's favorite thing is very, very politely, like, tapping the side of the bed with his foot.
Oh.
He'll just, like, brush the side of the bed over and over so it shakes.
What a polite dog.
And that's how he wakes me up every single time.
Well, instead of pouncing on you, you know? Like, I guess that's pretty polite.
He's very polite. But it's also, you know, I gotta question it sometimes because he's smart enough to know better. He knows what time my alarm goes off. Why is he waking me up early? What the heck?